Hello guys, in this video I am going to show you how to buy crypto on the MetaMask application. But first I just want to mention, don't forget to subscribe to my channel because at 10,000 subscribers I am going to show you my whole YouTube revenue statistics and growth strategy, how to make money online. Now let's jump into it. First of all, open the application on your phone. After that, click on the wallet button down below and then click on buy in the middle of the screen. You should select your method of payment. You can choose from 5 options. Click on the relevant one and then tap on continue to amount down below at the bottom of the screen. After that, you should select your account and then your region at the top. Below you can select the cryptocurrency that you wish to purchase. Here you can find all of them. You can also use the search bar. Then you should type in the amount and the currency. After that, select the payment method and click on the get quotes button down below. And after that, you will be able to finalize the process of purchasing the cryptocurrency of your choice. So that's pretty much it for this video, guys. See you in the next one. Bye bye.